Hi there, I'm Sara, graphic designer, print-on-demand shop specialist, and SEO marketing expert. If you're here, that means you're interested in learning more about print-on-demand and how you can turn your passion for creating an entrepreneurial spirit into a design business all your own. Over the past 6 years, I've also discovered my true passion in design and creating through print-on-demand and surface pattern design. Throughout my journey, I've seen so many gurus and big guys that come into the print-on-demand space, promising you if you just design simple t-shirts, you can make thousands. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but if you think you can just add simple text to a t-shirt, put that shirt on a website and make a bunch of money, well, it's not that easy, and maybe print-on-demand isn't for you. Print-on-demand, like any successful business, takes time. Your time is dedicated to learning new skills, like how to select and design products for your niche audience, how to create eye-catching and SEO-focused listings, as well as implementing best practices to get your products seen and purchased by your ideal audience time and time again. If I've learned anything through the 16+ successful e-com print-on-demand shops I've launched for clients, is that niche-focused and problem-solving products sell. And 9 times out of 10, those hot sellers are not just t-shirts. I promise you, there's more options than just shirts. I'd love to teach you more about print-on-demand and the real opportunity you have to create client-focused, niche-specific, money-making print-on-demand shops. So I'm offering a free training. I truly believe in print-on-demand and how it can be a very successful creative outlet for you and your future business. By joining my email list, you'll gain access to my exclusive free training, as well as get the opportunity to sign up for my 5-day course, Print-on-Demand Basics for Beginners. This course goes over everything beginners in the print-on-demand space need to know in an easy-to-follow, step-by-step video tutorials, worksheets, all taught by me. I was once a beginner. I learned everything on my own through courses like this one, through webinars, through videos. I want to take what I know and what I've gained in knowledge over the last 4 years and teach it to you in a beginner-friendly, easy-to-follow way, because it's hard to figure it out on your own. Let me hold your hand through print-on-demand, and we can be successful together. By signing up to my email list, you'll also receive free weekly tips, video tutorials, and exclusive discounts to some of my favorite print-on-demand and design tools and services. If you want to make money with print-on-demand, go below, sign up for my free training, and let's get started with your creative journey. See you there!